guarda.
Maria Dolore del Panza. Per me sei Maria Sorpresa. E tu sei la cantante?
Sì, sono io.
Sì, benissimo. Fammi sentire come canti.
No. Il microfono non c'è.
Ah, prego, tieni. Tu non sei la cantante! Tu sei il ladro che ho messo prima in gattabuia, eh! A me non mi freghi! Non mi freghi!
Guys, let's look for something to eat. I don't know what they have here. So let's check. You see. See you tomorrow. So guys, we are just coming back, you know. So I've already bathed, you know. So right now baby Alice is bathing. And the others, they are in piscina. So I just want baby Alice to bath. Then we'll sleep like 1 hour because baby Alice is so tired. We'll sleep like 1 hour and rest more. Then we'll start going out again because this night there is market today, and also where they're playing music today. So a lot of things. So guys, that is it. It's okay. Come and wear a dress so that you sleep. Thanks for watching, guys. I did not do room tour. I do room tour in all my videos shorts. You know? So guys, I can't do room tour now. Everywhere is scattered. But let me just show you our room. You know. So here you have television, this chair that I love so much. And this is my bed. Me and baby Alice, and the Angel and Chidima is there, and the Anthony is there. Right now they're in the piscina. So this is me here. I've already bathed, changed. So we'll sleep now. So that is it. So let me show you the outside. You know, where they're in piscina, where we have piscina. So can you see it? So the over there, Angel. Can you see? Ciao. So that is it. And over there we have our Mari. Can you see? Que bellezza, que bellezza. So that is it. Clean so that you wear your dress.
Patina.
Basta, basta.
Andiamo patina.
Non guarda che ti lanca, è la lola.
Ma io sono così.
Sì, un guarda na bed.
L'occhio.
Guarda.
L'occhio.
Ti io qui. Vai!
Qua.
Go inside.
Perché? Ma io non so.
Shift to. Cioè, AC is on. Shift for mommy, shift for mommy. By then.
No, ma io non sono tu.
So guys, that is it. So for watching. Continue watching. Oh, so guys, we are going out for dinner.
My dinner.
Dinner time.
My dinner time.
Where is Chidima? Andiamo, piano, piano. Yeah, Chidima. Andiamo. So guys, we are in this restaurant. So guys, today is the market. Alex, show me your one video. Alex. Guys, this is the second day. Oh, third day, sorry. Third day. Guys, this is the 10th day. So we are going back to This is Cinema. We are going inside. So guys, we are now to watch film. So guys, we are going to Piscina to go and swim. But it's only my kids. I'm not going to swim. We just finished watching film now. Went to cinema. Went to cinema. Bello. Allora, se non piaci andiamo via. Non vai? È fredda. Allora fai il giro. Fai il giro.
Quello non ti piace, questo.
Ecco qua.
Usavano gli esplosivi.
Sì, bye. Mamma mia. Che bello! Siamo in America! Are we American from London? Guys, this is church. Let's go inside. Wow, che bello. Meraviglia. Here they have theater, you know, for comedies. Can you see? And people will sit here and watch the. So guys, this is the last. Then we'll go and eat. Alex, Benny, we're gonna take our lunch and start going. So after here, we'll go to Amare. You know, Alex, this is a bar where they are selling ice cream. Bar. Thanks for watching till now. And see you in my next video. Bye. Ciao. Alex. Oh my God. Bye. Love you and God bless you.